For many travelers, Portugal is defined by Lisbon and Porto. Their colorful streets, historic neighborhoods, and famous riverside skylines have made them two of Europe's most popular city destinations. But beyond these celebrated cities lies a quieter Portugal, where dramatic Atlantic coastlines, medieval villages, rolling cork forests, and untouched landscapes reveal another side of the country. This is a journey beyond the familiar. Across wild coastlines, peaceful estuaries, ancient hilltop towns, and protected natural parks, southern Portugal unfolds with remarkable beauty. Every region uncovers another landscape where nature and tradition remain beautifully connected. Our journey begins along the Costa Vicentina, within southwest Alentejo and Vicentine Coast Natural Park. Here, towering Atlantic cliffs plunge towards secluded golden beaches, while powerful waves shape one of Europe's last truly unspoiled coastlines. Every bend in the road reveals another breathtaking panorama. Morning light spreads across rugged headlands where wind-swept cliffs overlook endless blue horizons stretching toward the Atlantic. Narrow walking trails follow the coastline above hidden coves, while seabirds glide effortlessly on the ocean breeze. The scenery feels wonderfully untamed. The coastline changes constantly as quiet beaches emerge beneath dramatic rock formations, sculpted by centuries of wind and waves. Wildflowers bloom along the cliff tops, while the sound of the Atlantic echoes through secluded inlets far below. Nature dominates every direction. Leaving the cliffs behind, the journey heads north toward the peaceful landscapes of Comporta. Endless sand dunes, pine forests, rice fields, and tranquil beaches create one of Portugal's most elegant yet understated coastal regions. The atmosphere feels calm and refreshingly uncrowded. Gentle boardwalks cross protected dunes where grasses sway in the sea breeze beneath clear blue skies. Beyond the dunes, wide Atlantic beaches stretch for kilometers with barely another footprint in sight. Every viewpoint captures another unforgettable coastal scene. Traveling south once more, the Mira River reaches the Atlantic beside the charming town of Vila Nova de Milfontes. Whitewashed houses overlook calm estuary waters, where river and ocean meet within one of Portugal's most beautiful natural settings. The landscape feels effortlessly peaceful. Fishing boats drift quietly across the estuary, while sandy riverbanks reflect the changing colors of the sky beneath rugged coastal cliffs. Narrow streets climb gently towards scenic viewpoints, where the Atlantic stretches endlessly beyond the town. Every scene reflects the relaxed rhythm of the Alentejo Coast. Leaving the estuary behind, the road follows the rugged coastline toward the clifftop village of Zambujeira do Mar. Perched above the crashing Atlantic, its whitewashed streets and dramatic viewpoints create one of Portugal's most picturesque seaside settings. Every horizon reveals another remarkable perspective. Ocean waves crash against towering cliffs far below, while small cafes overlook endless blue water beneath brilliant sunshine. The surrounding coastline remains beautifully preserved, offering sweeping views that extend for kilometers in every direction. Every sunset transforms the cliffs into glowing shades of gold. Quiet country roads continue through rolling farmland, cork oak groves, and sleepy villages where life moves at a slower pace than Portugal's bustling cities. Local traditions remain deeply connected to the surrounding landscape, revealing another authentic side of the country. Every kilometer uncovers another hidden treasure. As evening light spreads across the Atlantic coastline, cliffs, forests, and quiet beaches, warm golden colors transform the landscape beneath endless western skies. The Alentejo's extraordinary beauty becomes impossible to overlook. Every horizon invites further exploration. From dramatic coastal cliffs and hidden beaches to peaceful estuaries and timeless seaside villages, every destination reveals another side of Portugal that many travelers never discover. Together, they show that the country's greatest coastal treasures extend far beyond Lisbon and Porto. And the journey has only just begun. Beyond the dramatic Atlantic shoreline, the Alentejo continues to reveal medieval hilltop villages, vast vineyards, cork forests, tranquil lakes, and some of Europe's most peaceful landscapes. Every region uncovers another extraordinary surprise. The farther the journey continues, the more remarkable this hidden corner of Portugal becomes. Our next destination is Odeceixe, where one of Portugal's most beautiful river beaches marks the meeting of the Seixe River and the Atlantic Ocean. Surrounded by rolling green hills and rugged cliffs, this peaceful village offers a striking contrast between calm inland waters and the powerful open sea. Every viewpoint captures another breathtaking panorama. Morning light reflects across the winding river, while colorful fishing boats rest quietly beside sandy banks. Whitewashed houses climb gently above the valley, and narrow lanes lead to spectacular lookouts where the coastline stretches endlessly toward the horizon. The atmosphere feels wonderfully relaxed. Leaving the coast behind, the journey heads inland toward the medieval hilltop village of Monsaraz. Surrounded by ancient stone walls and overlooking the vast waters of Alqueva Lake, this beautifully preserved settlement offers one of Portugal's most spectacular panoramic settings. History and landscape exist in perfect harmony. Cobblestone streets weave between whitewashed houses decorated with colorful flowers beneath the shadow of a centuries-old castle. From the ancient walls, endless views extend across vineyards, olive groves, and the shimmering lake far below. Every corner reveals another timeless scene. Traveling farther into the Alentejo, the immense Alqueva Dark Sky Reserve comes into view. Free from major urban light pollution, this protected region has become one of Europe's finest destinations for stargazing, where the night sky appears in breathtaking clarity. The silence is as impressive as the stars above. As darkness falls, countless stars illuminate the landscape, while the Milky Way stretches brilliantly across the sky. Gentle reflections shimmer across the calm waters of Alqueva Lake, creating one of Portugal's most magical natural experiences. Every night feels unforgettable. Leaving the lakes behind, the journey climbs into Serra de São Mamede Natural Park. Rolling hills, cork oak forests, granite outcrops, and peaceful valleys create a landscape unlike the better-known coastlines of Portugal. The scenery feels wonderfully untouched. Ancient cork oak trees shade winding country roads, while traditional villages overlook fertile valleys beneath broad blue skies. Walking trails pass through forests alive with birdsong, where seasonal wildflowers brighten the hillsides throughout spring. Every kilometer reveals another beautiful landscape. Across the Alentejo, dramatic coastlines, fertile plains, forests, vineyards, lakes, and medieval villages remain closely connected within one remarkably diverse region. Traveling only a short distance often reveals an entirely different landscape, making every stage of the journey feel wonderfully unique. Every kilometer offers another discovery. Traditional communities continue preserving customs shaped by generations of farming, fishing, winemaking, and craftsmanship. Slow living, warm hospitality, and a deep connection to the surrounding land remain central to everyday life. Authentic experiences are found throughout the region, Throughout the seasons, the Alentejo quietly transforms. Spring carpets the countryside with colorful wildflowers. Summer brings golden wheat fields beneath endless blue skies. Autumn fills the vineyards with harvest activity, and winter brings dramatic Atlantic waves crashing against the rugged coastline. Every season reveals another side of Portugal. Every destination reveals another unexpected side of the country. Hidden beaches lead toward medieval villages, cork forests give way to shimmering lakes, and ancient hilltops overlook landscapes that remain among Europe's most peaceful natural treasures. Diversity defines every journey. Traveling beyond Lisbon and Porto transforms the way many people experience Portugal. Instead of discovering only historic cities and famous landmarks, visitors uncover a region of wild Atlantic coastlines, timeless villages, tranquil countryside, and hidden landscapes that remain refreshingly authentic. These are the places that leave lasting memories. This is the Portugal that rewards curiosity. It is a country where rugged cliffs, peaceful estuaries, medieval villages, rolling vineyards, and endless Atlantic horizons continue to flourish beyond the familiar tourist trail. Every journey uncovers another unforgettable destination. Perhaps Portugal's greatest surprise is not found within its famous cities at all. It is the extraordinary collection of hidden coastlines, ancient villages, cork forests, star-filled skies, and welcoming communities that together reveal the remarkable beauty of the Alentejo. Beyond Lisbon and Porto lies a Portugal that is authentic, tranquil, and truly unforgettable.